Question 24 is a trial and improvement question, and we're told that the equation x cubed plus 10x equals 25 has a solution between 1 and 2. Now, we need to give our answer to this trial and improvement method to one decimal place, and we must show all our workings. Now, to do that in the neatest form, let's set up a table of values. So x is going to be our trial values. In the middle section, we're actually going to work out what is x cubed plus 10x. And in the final column, we're going to write some comment. So we know there's a solution between 1 and 2, so let's start by trialing 1.5. So when we put 1.5 in, we get 1.5 cubed plus 10 times 1.5. If you've got a decent calculator, you can do this all in one go, and we get an answer of 18.375. So that's too small. In fact, it's quite a bit too small, so let's jump a couple of steps and go straight for 1.8. So same thing, put that into your calculator, and this time we're a lot closer. We're at 23.832, so we're still too small, but we're far closer. So we have to go again. This time we go for 1.9, exactly the same, put it into your calculator, and fortunately we find this time we're a little bit too big, 25.859. So the key thing here is that we found one decimal place that's too small, the next decimal place up that is too big. So my answer is either going to be 1.8 or 1.9. So we've got 1 mark so far for finding that out. Now, sorry, 2 marks indeed. Now our third mark is for testing whether is the answer going to be 1.8 or 1.9, because if we know that at 1.8 it's too small, it's at 23.832, and at 1.9 we are too big, we're at 25.859, and it's going to be one of these answers. Our testing value has to be halfway between the two. So we're going to test at 1.85. So again, stick that all into your calculator. I'm not going to write it out this time, but when you do that, you get 24.83 something. I'm not too worried what it is. The key thing is that it is too small. So it would be 24.83 something. But you have to test at 1.85 to be able to get that third mark. So if it is too small at 1.85, the answer of 25 must be somewhere around about here, which means that when it rounds, whatever this value is, to one decimal place, it's going to round up to 1.9. So that is why the answer is 1.9. So 4 marks. Please try and get all of them by showing all of that working.